can see in that car. Ladies and gentlemen, you're probably thinking, what's going on? Action, back-to-back vlogs. Yep, that's what's happening right now, baby. We're on the dirt bike, the 450. It's not completed, but we're ripping it. So it is what it is. Let's get to it. You guys are going to do a little ride along today. I think it's around 40 degrees, which is unheard of at this time of year. And I got to run to GameStop. I need a new PS4 controller. Yes, I've been gaming hard and I wore out my controller. So that's what we're doing, ladies and gents. Hopefully I don't get pulled over because I don't have license plates, but it is what it is. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference or not, but I'm not running a filter on my GoPro. And what the filters do is basically, it's just like wearing tinted sunglasses. It's supposed to improve the quality, but I'm gonna try a couple vlogs without that and just see what happens here. Oh, front wheel a little bit shaky. I go to Walmart or like Target, but my bike doesn't have a key, so I'm not going there. Plus, I think GameStop's got PS4 controllers on an early Black Friday sale. So that's what we're doing. Ooh, we might have to take her through a little bit of dirt, too. Actually, so I live in an apartment, and honestly, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to make a video. I'm going to get this thing up the 3 flights of stairs, and ultimately it's going in my office. That way I can kind of work on it this winter. And I don't know if I'm going to vinyl wrap it or do graphics. I haven't decided yet. PS4 controller. I need some food too. I'm kind of nervous, like, shut this off because the battery is dead. So we might just leave her running. Yeah, these guys think I'm like from that movie, The Town, with Ben Affleck. With my helmet, my bike. We're just gonna let it run. I wonder if my GoPro's even on. Yes, look at that hoopty. It's looking pretty good, minus the front. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta get the front wheel built, you guys. I've just been busy, and it's like another 400 bucks. So, and I got to figure out the front fender, but. $38. Hey, are these $38?
Yeah, quick. Most likely we just didn't change the price. Yep, $38.99.
Cool. That'll work. Do you have any other colors besides like those two?
Red. Yeah, crystal.
So it's a one-time $5?
Yeah, and after that you get
blue camo.
$5 in your account that we can use every month.
Crystal.
Do you like to make it?
Midnight blue. White.
I'll do the white one.
White?
Yeah. I've been slaying too much on Fortnite, bro. I wore that thing out.
Oh, gotcha.
Got to get a new one.
How much do they charge in town?
Yes, look at that. Woo! All right, food. What are we doing for food? I gotta get out of here before a herd of nerds comes in, tackles me. Nasty mattress, bro. Throw that thing in the trash. Oh my god. Bro. You can't even see in that car. That's Border Central there. Holy Christ. Look at that dude. This fucking guy texting away again. Let's see if this Porsche wants some. What you got, Porsche? You want some, bro? Got nothing. So anyways, I would love to ride my motorcycles and like make semi-boring videos for you guys. I know I'm probably not the most entertaining. Some of my videos are, but like I'm passionate about this. I've been on a motorcycle on probably like a huge portion of my life. So it would be like pretty neat if like I could literally get paid to do this, and that's my goal. I'm gonna try and keep videos coming for you guys. Maybe do some build videos. I don't know. Should we go get a sub? Let's go get a sub. Maybe a sub sandwich. Yeah, Jersey Mike's. Is it busy in there? Oh god, it's swamped in there. What are you looking at? Oh my god. Dude, that dog looked like Alf. Oh, that's awesome. We gotta catch up. I want to pet this puppy. I'm gonna pet this puppy. Give me your dog, lady. I will tell you guys this much. That back tire already made a world of difference on this bike. This thing's like, it just feels very like supermoto-ish now. The corners are crazy on this thing compared to that Navi tire. Like that thing's got so much like movement in it with those big knobs. Ridiculous. Oh, I gotta turn right here. Up the curb. Yee. This is nice about a dirt bike. You just run over curbs. Doesn't even matter. If that was the Ducati, I'd be like, oh, don't hit the lower fairing. You guys think your boy still got it? Dang, that back tire's grippy, boy. I gotta get used to this thing. Well, I'm going first. The a chill pill. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, that's the end of today's vlog. I love you guys. Subscribe, notifications, ring the bell, do a somersault, and then I'll see you on the next video. Unless we get a blizzard, then it's gonna be a long time. So yeah, I'm here, so I will see you guys later. All right, peace.